He ran a stop sign and then things escalated fast.
Yeah, just keep trying him on the PA.
Driver, inside of the Charger. Exit the vehicle with your hands up. You are not free to go.
Hey, come here. Okay, I don't care. We're on a traffic stop. Y'all get back right now. Get back. Go away. Step back, dude. Come back here. Just walk back. You're not...
Why you stop me? Why you stop me?
Okay, walk back. Walk back.
Why you stop me? Why you stop me?
26.2
Tell me why you stop me. Hey, tell me why you stop me.
Get back.
What's your reason to stop me?
Show us your hands right now. Show us.
What's your reason to stop me?
Listen. Listen. Okay.
Why'd you stop me?
You ran a stop sign.
Why'd you fucking stop me?
You ran a stop sign. Chill out, bro. Chill out. Chill out.
Why'd you stop me? Hey, why'd you put me over?
We get a couple more units now.
Hey, tell him what's the reason to put me over.
We're 10-4. His family just ran up there.
I don't want
Hey.
to nothing. Hey, he's waiting for me to leave right.
Hey,
You fucking waiting on me.
stand up. Walk towards
No,
us.
you don't shoot. You don't shoot already.
We're not going to shoot you. We're not going to shoot you. Okay, if he would comply, this would go a lot smoother.
Hey, what the fuck? What the fuck? What
Hey,
the fuck?
hey,
What the fuck?
hey.
Look at the fucking gun you got. What the fuck?
Dude, we just need you to listen to us.
Fuck you.
We need you to stand up. Dude, we need you to stand up and walk back towards our vehicle.
No, fuck.
Hey, dude, just listen to us. Okay. Hey. Okay. Hey, dude. Hey, dude, just stand up. Stand up, man. Stand up.
Nah, I'm gonna fucking shoot me. Put your guns down. Put your guns down.
Hey, dude,
I'm scared.
okay, all we need you to do, hey, all we need you to do is to stand up. Stand up. Hey, dude, Weston, is there anyone else in the vehicle that you can see?
Which vehicle were you driving?
The Charger?
I can't see. I can't tell.
Okay. Okay, hey, all we need him to do is, no,
Hey, ma'am?
we're not leaving. Oh. Okay. Hey, we're on a traffic stop. We just need him to comply so we can talk to him, and then that's it. Okay, we're done. We're done. Hey, man.
Just don't go over there. Don't go
Hey, man. Do not go over there.
Stay where you are. Do not go over there. Don't go over there, sir. Sir. Stay
Do
where
not go over there. Hey, we just need you to walk over here, dude. Stand up, walk over here. Come on, my side, Blanford. Hey, stand up.
Just approach. Let's just approach.
That's what I'm saying. I'm trying to make sure we got enough units, bro.
Let's go. Come on. Go.
Watch the vehicle.
I got hands. Watch the vehicle.
Granny.
Hands
I just want my granny. I
Okay,
don't want
back
nothing.
up.
Just my granny.
Back up.
Please.
Back up.
Okay, please don't touch her. Y'all, she is 90 years old.
Okay.
Please.
Hey, everyone, back up right now. Back up. We're trying to get him into custody. Back up right now.
By the red truck.
Okay.
You guys, we need to do
By the
that.
red truck.
You guys, we need to do that.
I'm gonna help her up. That way we can get her up, okay?
Well, help me then. Do something. You just fucking sitting there, bro.
My daddy. My daddy.
Ma'am, I'm trying to help you up. How are we gonna do this?
We're gonna help you up.
I'm trying to help you up.
She can't walk without her phone. Be gentle.
I'm being gentle. I'm holding her up.
Let my child alone. Let my child alone. Let my child alone. Let my child
Hey, get that guy.
He's fucking, he ain't even got nothing on him. Calm down.
Let my child alone.
Okay.
Let my child alone.
Yeah, I just want to make sure that I have weapons on him first. Okay, let's get him up and move on.
Get her on.
I can move, y'all let me. I can move. Okay. They won't even let me move. I said I can walk, I just didn't want to move. I can move, they let me, bro. But I'm not even resisting.
Okay, let's get in the car.
What the fuck, bro?
What's your name, man?
My name is Todd, bro.
Do you have an ID on you?
It's in the car.
Quit moving, dude.
I'm trying to move that pocket so the good is right
It's
here.
this pocket?
The other one. It's this one.
Okay.
Can you just put my pants up on me, bro?
Just hang tight. Sit in here. Sit in here. Move your feet. Move your feet.
I got it.
Can I get her phone? Her phones are on the ground. Can you stop yanking me? I will walk it.
Hey, can I speak to the sergeant or something, bro? Why?
You want to speak to my sergeant?
Hey, I want to speak to the sergeant, somebody. I want to speak to the lieutenant.
Okay,
Hey, I want to
well,
speak
chill
to
out.
whoever
All right,
had
we're not talking. We're not talking.
Because these guys going to jail?
For interference, but you don't take them right now. I haven't ran them. 26 points. You want to run?
Alright. They're the ones that made the stop. I just showed up and okay. Everybody's they're going? Yes.
Is that your car, man? It's not your car. Do you mind if we search it?
No, it's my mama's.
It's your mom's car? Okay.
That's my mama's.
Okay.
What am I getting arrested for? Why am I getting arrested for it?
I'll explain everything in a second, man.
Is this your? Oh, that's hers.
Why am I getting arrested for it?
You're under arrest.
Why did y'all get
Can
pulled
you
over?
move your feet foot
Why did I
over.
get pulled over? Why did I get pulled over?
I already told you ran that stop sign on
I
people.
didn't run no stop sign! I did not run no stop sign! I didn't get no bill! I did not run no stop sign! 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 I did not run no stop sign!
What? Let go. We're going. We're going.
That baby's first now! That baby's first now! I ran a stop sign! Why you said I ran a stop sign? Why you said I ran a stop sign, bro? Why you said I ran a stop sign? 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 Why you said I ran a
No,
stop sign?
not right now. We'll get it in a second. I'll give it to you later.
Why you saying I ran a stop sign? Why you saying I ran a stop sign, bro? Bro, why you saying I ran a stop sign? Hey, why you saying I ran a stop sign? Hey, my nigga, why you saying I ran a stop sign? Bro, what's up? Why you saying I ran a stop sign? Bro, that's not right. Why you doing me like that? Bobo, why you doing me like that? Bobo, really?
We don't take one. 733, Lincoln is come.
2622, we're all 10-4. We don't need the channel. I'm
Bobo,
95.1
really,
for
Bobo?
a
You staying already the stop sign? Bobo. Ouch.
743. Good night.
Good.
2692 is Roger, 74, 95, channel.
Clear, thank you.
No, it's an extra 30,
Bro, why you saying already the stop sign, bro? Bro, you know I stopped at everyone for you, bro. Bro, really? You gonna do me like that? Is it because I'm black, huh? Like, I was stopped at literally every stop sign. Like, really, dude? Like, why you doing me like that? Like, I did everything you did. Like you told me that. What the fuck, bro? Why? Why? Like, can't you just give me that reason? Like, why? Like, why? Like, you know I stopped at every stop sign, G. You know I did, bro. And you gonna do me like that? You know I did. It's my birthday, too, bro. Look at my license, like, bro, it's my birthday. Like, why? I'm just trying to get bro. On my birthday, bro. I stopped at every stop sign for you, bro. Like, really, G? Like, really, bro, you gonna do me like that? Like, why lie? Like, why lie to them niggas like that, bro? You was a hoe, bro. Like, why lie? Like, I just did everything, dude. Like, I didn't even stop or nothing. Like, I stopped for you, bro. Like, what the hell? I even took an extra pause. Boy, your ass, I knew you was behind me. Like, what's up with that? Like, what's up with that, bro? Like, what did I do? Like, damn, bro. Like, damn, bro.
Hey, man, once you step out of this vehicle, are you going to be chill with us? Okay. I'm trying to be chill with you, man.
Wow, bro. I didn't know when to stop saying that, bro.
Hey,
like, really, bro? You know
we're not going to argue. We're not going to argue.
I took it, just stop.
Okay.
Because I knew you was behind me, though, bro.
Can you
stop
step out?
sign, like,
Ty, can you
like,
step out, man?
Like, why lie to you, though, bro? Like, I took it.
Walk that way.
Can you listen to those up there, man?
I'll check him once we get into jail. I'll check him once we get into jail, man.
Bro, like, you just hurt, like, you're like hurt, like, dead ass, like, hurt, bro.
Okay. Like I said, I'll check him once we're in the jail, dude.
That shit was like numb type shit.
Is your other shoe in there, or did it get left behind at the house?
It should be under the seat. I'm just like, use some like real quick, bro.
I got too much stuff. Like I said, once I put this stuff
down.
down.
You got one here right there, though, bro.
Yeah, but I need a key, bro. I need 2 hands.
You can like loosen up real quick.
All right, let's go.
You sit down.
I'll check him once we get in there. Walk to the right. Walk in front of that door for me.
Open my pants over me.
Just have a seat on the left one. Yeah, let me put this stuff down, dude. Keep that up for me. Face the wall, please. I don't know, just chill out. These cuffs aren't mine. I don't even know how to use them, dude.
You gotta rub your wrist, that's all I heard.
That good, dude? Hold on. I got a double lock so they don't. Yes, thank you.